people, welcome back to the channel. So if this looks vaguely familiar to a previous video that I just posted, that's because they were shot at the same time. So in this video, or in that video, I washed my hair using a new shower head. This video, I'm kind of explaining to you how I wash my hair with it using a different technique. I saw this video on YouTube maybe when I was in the process of doing my hair the last time I did it on the channel. And it was, the person used a kind of diluted shampoo, diluted conditioner in a sense, where they made soapy water and soapy kind of conditioner to wash their natural hair so they didn't have locks. And I wanted to give it a try, but not a neck around because I don't have time to mess around when I have something and somewhere to be and go to, and I don't want to waste all my time. But I have some time now, so I figured I'd give it a try. And what I'm going to do is make some of my shampoo. I'm using Natural's Cleansing Avocado shampoo in a bowl with some water, so it's like soapy, like already, and then I'm just going to pour it and add it into my hair like that. And what it's supposed to do is supposed to help with the rinsing period because it's not so concentrated, it's not so much shampoo that's just sitting on the top of the hair, and it's supposed to help better penetrate the follicles. So this is what I'm going to do for both the shampoo and the conditioner, and I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on that. So I'm going to hop in the shower now and go handle that now. Per usual, if you're new here, I do have on shorts in the shower. I'm just not taking you guys in there with me ass naked. So, alright, so quick update. Couldn't find a bowl, or the bowl that I thought I had anymore. So what do? We improvise. I'm gonna use a bottle, water bottle, literally, Walmart clearly. I'm gonna poke some holes in the top, like such. Right. Poke holes, and then I'm gonna put my shampoo in here. I'm going to fill this with water and just squirt it in. Now we're going to get in the shower and see how this works. Alright, so let's talk about this diluting the shampoo ordeal. Don't really know. I spent an obscene amount of time rinsing my hair either way, and I still feel like this didn't save me any more time in trying this out. So, I mean, just put that shampoo in your hand and go to work, because I don't feel like it saved me any more time than it was supposed to. I think with LOCS, you always have to take your time and rinse your hair thoroughly, because I mean, our hair is not loose, it's more so knotted, if you want to say, twined and twisted around each other, coiled, really. So just go ahead and shampoo how you normally shampoo, but focus on rinsing. That's something that I'm gonna make sure I keep pushing at you guys from this point on, because I've noticed that's really where the issue lies. The rinse wasn't proper. So you do a shampoo and then you rinse, and then if you are, you know, part of team I condition my hair as well, so now you have the shampoo plus the conditioner sitting on top of there, and then if you don't rinse that out, then you have some of the residual shampoo product left in your conditioner left in your hair, as well as shampoo, which is what you don't want. Build up, blah 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 blah. You guys know the drill. So yeah, make sure you rinse your hair thoroughly. Like, you think you got it all out, go rinse it again. Like, and it does not have to be the shower head. I know I did a video and there was an end that has the comb, that has teeth on it, so to speak. So it doesn't necessarily have to be that shower head, but get you a shower head that attaches. I'm telling you, that saves so much time, so much energy. I wouldn't know what to do if I didn't have that shower head. So again, rinse your hair. That's my tidbit for you. I don't care what you say. You can say everything you want to say. Go rinse your hair again after you wash it. So that's going to be our takeaway from this video. No need to dilute your shampoo if you rinse your hair thoroughly. So, you know, if you enjoy this content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know what you find here: vlog videos, travel videos, beard videos, lifestyle videos. All the things that encompass those topics, you'll find them on this channel. And yeah, be easy.